Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Today, we are walking around the Sydney Central Business District all the way to Queen Victoria Building. The Sydney Central Business District, CBD, is the main commercial hub of Sydney, known for its vibrant culture, historical significance, and numerous attractions. The Sydney CBD serves as the historical and primary commercial centre of Sydney, Australia. It is often referred to simply as the city and is recognized as the main financial and economic center of the country, contributing significantly to the economy of the Asia-Pacific region. Approximately 15% of Sydney's workforce is employed within the CBD, which houses a large concentration of businesses, particularly in finance and professional services. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. The area has a rich history, originally inhabited by the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation for tens of thousands of years before European settlement began in 1788. Today, the CBD is a cultural focal point, featuring numerous museums, galleries, and theatres, including the Museum of Sydney, the Art Gallery of New South Wales, and the Sydney Opera House. Some of the key attractions in the Sydney CBD include Sydney Opera House, an iconic architectural masterpiece and a vibrant performance venue. Royal Botanic Garden, a beautiful garden offering scenic views and a peaceful retreat. Queen Victoria Building QVB, a historic shopping center known for its stunning architecture and high-end boutiques. Sydney Tower Eye, the tallest structure in Sydney, providing panoramic views of the city. Darling Harbour, a lively waterfront area with restaurants, shops, and entertainment options. Have you been to Sydney, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. The CBD is well connected through various public transport options, including trains, buses, and ferries, making it easily accessible for both locals and tourists. The area is also known for its vibrant nightlife, dining options, and shopping experiences, making it a popular destination for visitors. Sydney Central Business District is a dynamic area that combines business, culture, and history, making it a must-visit location for anyone exploring Sydney. Welcome to George Street. George Street is a street in the Central Business District of Sydney. It was Sydney's original high street and remains one of the busiest streets in the city centre. It connects a number of the city's most important buildings and precincts. There are more high-rise buildings here than on any other street in Australia. Amongst Australia's 100 largest listed companies, more are located here than on any other street. The street begins in the north end of Sydney in the Rocks, near the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and extends to the southern end of the city, near Central Station and Ultimo, where it leads into Railway Square. From here, Broadway is the continuation of George Street turning westwards, leading to the western suburbs as Parramatta Road. Welcome to Queen Victoria Building. The Queen Victoria Building, QVB, is a heritage-listed late 19th century building located at George Street in the Sydney Central Business District, in the Australian state of New South Wales. Designed by the architect George McRae, the Romanesque Revival building was constructed between 1893 and 1898 and is 30 meters wide by 190 meters long. The domes were built by Ricci Brothers, a steel and metal company that also built trains, trams, and farm equipment. The building fills a city block bounded by George, Market, York, and Druitt Streets. Designed as a marketplace, it was used for a variety of other purposes, underwent remodeling, and suffered decay until its restoration and return to its original use in the late 20th century. Please do watch our other Australia playlist. The Queen Victoria Building was listed on the New South Wales State Heritage Register on the 5th of March 2010. It was noted as an outstanding example of the grand retail buildings from the Victorian Federation era in Australia, which has no known equal in Australia in its architectural style, scale, level of detailing, and craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.